Steps that go unannounced, stranger in my house unknown. Silent whispers, walls confound, dark shadows creep, I've grown. First a chill, then there's a heat, heartbeats racing, pulse explode. Eyes that flicker, rhythm beat, mystery cast on this road. Uninvited danger stalks, doorway open, fear and flow. Life on edge and silent talks, where it leads, no way to know. Hands that reach but don't belong, every moment static fear. Seek the truth where trust is gone, in my skin the end is near. Slower now the time unwinds, closer still the shadow glooms. Sense of dread it intertwined, praying in the hidden rooms. Uninvited danger stalks, doorway open, fear and flow. Life on edge and silent talks, where it leads, no way to know. Uninvited danger stalks, doorway opens, fear and flow. Life on edge and silent talks, where it leads, no way to know.